Hi everyone, today I will be showing you that how you can remove any URL from Google using Google Search Console. So if you have any website or a blog post that is no longer relevant or outdated information, then it's a very important process for you. So we can remove any URL from Google by using some simple steps. So the first step is to sign into your Google Search Console account. So first we need to have a Google Search Console account, and if you don't have any account, you can create a one that is totally free. Once you sign into your Google Search Console account, so to enter your Google Search Console account, you need to visit a website. For that, we need to type Google Search Console in our search bar. Then it will give a website named as search.google.com. Here we are on Google Search Console website. Click on Start Now, and from here you need to select your account on which you have that particular website from where you want to remove that URL. So we have our website linked to this account. Okay, so here is our Google Search Console account. Now we are logged into our dashboard. Now we need to select our property, that and the property is our website name. So our website name is dwpit.tech. Okay, now from here we need to remove that particular URL. So our second step is completed. We have selected our website by clicking on that add property button, and if you don't have this property in your console account, then you can add that property from here by clicking on add property. And now the third step is select a URL that you want to remove. So this is our URL which doesn't exist anymore. We want to remove that particular URL from our website. Now we have selected our URL. Now the fourth step is request removal. Now go to this side menu and scroll a little bit down. Here you can see a removals option. Click on that. Now here we need to request for a removal. Click on that new request and paste your URL here. Click on next and now submit URL. It will not remove your URL permanently, but it will remove your URL temporarily for 6 months. Now the step 5 is to wait for Google to remove that URL. It might take a few times, like a day or 2 days. Then your URL will be removed, and from here you can see that we have already removed multiple URLs and their status is temporarily removed, and our URL that we just submitted is in a status of processing request. So soon this status will change to temporarily removed. You can check the same after a day. You will be able to see that your URL will be temporarily removed. Now here we are done. By following these simple steps, you can remove a URL from Google using Google Search Console. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment sections below. Thank you for watching.